Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to see the Leetcode question. Okay, so today we have 1431 Leetcode question in which it is saying kids with the greatest number of candies, right? We have to find. Like, okay, so there are n candies, right? There are n candies. Oh, sorry, there is n kids with candies, and you are given an integer array candies where each candies of I represent the, you can say, number of candies the I kids have, right? Has an integer extra candies denoting number of extra candies that you have, right? Now return a boolean array that is called result of length n, where result of I is true if after giving the ith kids all the extra candies, they will have the greatest number of candies among all the kids, right? And if not, then we have to return false. Now what we have to do, note that multiple kids can have the greatest number of candies, right? And so in the first example, we have given candies like 2, 3, 5, 1, 3. Okay, so if we will represent this into an array, so this will look like this one. Okay, now it is saying that candies I represent the number of candies the I kid has. So if we will represent I, means that is nothing but index, this will become what? Either you can say 1, 2, 3, or you can say what? 1, 2, right, like that. Okay, so I'll give this name index 1, I, 3, 4 and 5, right? Like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now if you will say that for the kid 1, right, if you give all extra candies to kid 1, okay, so we have what? Extra candies 3. So for this one, what will happen for kids 1? Let me check the another color. Yeah, so this is for kid 1. So what will happen? Now it will become 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is what? 5, right? Similarly, it will become 2 plus you can say this one, right? Okay. Let me give me 1 minute. I have did little mistake here. Actually, yeah. Actually, this should be 0, right? This array 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And for kid 1, right? Let's suppose for kid 1, right? As you can see here, for kid 1, it is also saying 2 plus 3 is 5, right? It means kid 1 is having 5 element. How many element we have? He have 2, right? So we can say for kid 1, 2 plus 3 is 5, as we know that, right? So we can I already did, right? So you can say that 2 plus 3 is, kids 1 have 5. Now for kid 2 is what? 3. Kid 2 has index is just like that. So I have represented previously actually to represent the kids, right? But this is index. You should represent this into index, right? And you have to think that this is a kid 1, okay? And you have to think that this is a kid 2, like this, like that you have to see, okay? But index would be like this only. Now if you'll think kid 2, right? So kid 2 contain what? I will give the name k2. k2 will be 3 plus 3 is 6. Now k3 is 3 plus 5, right, is 8. Now k4 is what? 1 plus 3 is 4, and k5 is what? 3 plus 3 is 6. So who has the maximum greatest, like from here, like if you'll say with all the kids, right? So 2 plus 3 we have did 5, right? The candidate which is the greatest among the kid, we can say, right? So kids 1, they will have 5 candies, and he is the greatest among all the kids, you can say, because he has 5, right? Let's suppose. Now if you come to K2, he has 6. So K2 will have 6 candy actually, and which is the greatest among the kids. That is also true, right? So when we'll come to K3, he has 8 and he is also greatest, right? Now if we'll talk about K4, he has 4. So you can see K4 is not among the greatest, right? So this is wrong. Okay. Now if we'll come to K6, right? So what have 6 we have, so it is also greatest, right? So in this case, if you'll see from kid 1 to kid 6, only this one is false, right? And if you'll see the output, you can see only this one is also false, right? So this is the thing that we should understand before implementing this one, right? So make sure that you keep your index like this only, but you have to think about like in the representation these kids, right? Kids 1, kids 2, like this only. Okay, coming back to this one, you have candy, right? This one, so you have extra one. So if you add 1, so this will become 5, right? And this will become what? 3, this will become 2, this will become 2, this will become 3. So all this is false, only 4 become 5. That's why it is coming true, and rest are false. Okay, coming back to example 3, what we have 10 candies. If we'll add, so which one become false? Only this one become false, and rest of are true. Okay, so constant we have given is less than equal to not, but it is equal to n, and n should be greater than 2 and 100. Like this we have given the, we can say constant, right? So this question is very important because question has been asked in Apple, Google and Amazon. All FANG has asked this question, right? So this is very important question. Please do hands-on, right, on this one. Now understand about the candies, right? We have given the candies, right, to the candidate. Let's suppose 2, 3, 5, 1, like this we have given, right? Extra candies we have 3. So in the first iteration, what will happen if you'll add this one, right? So what will happen? This is 5 we have, right? We know that, right? So this will become what? This is 5, right? In the first iteration, 2, 3, like this we have the so maximum candidate is what? 5. So we will get our max candy is 5, right? Extra candy is different thing, right? That is given, but we have to find max candy. And the check in the, this is the index that I was telling about, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? This one you have to check after adding the extra candy. It become 5, 5, 5, less than 5 and greater than equal to 5, right? So if it is greater than equal to, means it is true, right? Whenever it is less than equal to 5, right, it means it is false, right? So like this you have to implement. I think you got me. Let's understand the coding part, right? What you have to do, actually you have given candies in the array and extra candies, right? So first of all you will get the max candies, as I told you in the first iteration. What will happen? You update our max candies and you will get your max candies. How? Candies you will pass and max candy. On the all the candies you will iterate and you will get the max, that is called max candies, right? In the next, what we will do, we will take our result and all the candies you will iterate again. In the second iteration, this is the first iteration, right? Iteration, and this is second iteration. So in the second iteration, what will happen? You will add your extra candies, right, onto the candy, and you will check if this is greater than equal to max candy. If it is greater than equal to, now your result is ready. Just you have to return, right, this result. You will see true or false here only, okay? Because this will give you true or false here. If it is greater than equal to, it will come true. If it is less than, it will store into the result as a false, and you will finally return this one, right? Now you can see that we are iterating over the candies. So for the time complexity, if you see, we will having what? O of n, because we are iterating over all the candies. If n candies are we have, so time complexity will become O of n, and we are adding on the result. If n candies we are adding, means space complexity also O of n, right? Now what we have to do, we will see space complexity and time complexity, okay? So for here, why we are taking O of 1? Because we are storing O of n right here, but it is taking only one time here, right? But what if you see the operation of adding here, it will become O of n only, okay? So extra space we are taking is result only, okay? So it's operation based on operations, right? It is coming O of n, but storing is O of 1, right? So thank you for watching this video, guys. Please let me know if you like this video. Please hit subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.